In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to SSH into DigitalOcean Droplet with an SSH key. We'll walk through setting up a new droplet to accept your SSH key so you can connect securely without passwords. Using SSH keys is considered best practice because it's both more convenient and more secure than managing passwords. Start by going to DigitalOcean.com and signing into your account. From the dashboard, look for the Create button at the top and click it. In the menu that appears, choose droplets to start the creation flow. You'll see options for image, plan, and data center region. Configure those as you normally would for your project, then continue down the page until you reach the section for access and authentication. In the authentication area, you'll choose how you want to log in to the droplet. Select SSH key as the method. This tells DigitalOcean to install your public key on the server, so only someone with the matching private key can log in. Next, click Add SSH Key. A panel will open where you can paste your public key. This is the content of the pub file on your computer, usually named id.ed255.pub or idirsa.pub inside your .ss folder. Make sure you paste the entire line, starting with something like ed19 or sshRSA, followed by a long string of characters. Do not paste your private key. Only the public key belongs here. If you don't have a key yet, generate one on your machine using your operating system's standard tools, then return here to paste the public key. Give the key a clear name in the label field so you can recognize it later, for example by device or purpose. This label is just for your account. It doesn't affect the key itself. When you're ready, click Add SSH key to attach it to the droplet configuration. With your key added and selected, review the rest of your droplet settings as needed. When everything looks good, click Create Droplet. DigitalOcean will provision the server and install your public key on it automatically. Once the droplet is created, it's ready to accept connections that use the corresponding private key on your computer. Keep that private key safe, consider protecting it with a passphrase, and back it up securely. If you add multiple keys to your account, you can reuse them across new droplets, which makes setup faster and consistent. That's it. You've configured a new DigitalOcean droplet to use SSH key authentication, laying the groundwork for secure, passwordless access. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.